meghalayapost.news.
Uba ditaswal kan kum unong ilam kayu UDP baru baderu unong ilam kaliang persya hak hasil autonomous district council habakren Chyne tok kubor mentakas ngi ulong baka Jingkynnoh ka HNLC persya uba Sniawbhalang ubade UDP chief minister kajela kamdade basongnya ne don Nongrim kumban perkenmau hakine gikindiat sengi lami hakilat patai kubor baka HNLC kum kawe keseng kabala sakhen bean kala kuno ba uba Sniawbhalang dhar ude uwe na ubala kerjan pisa ya konhon HNLC hakisnem balalik no haba jupapat ya jingkli kino tok kubor uba ditaswal kan ula keren syai bakam dadon kam banyak keren halor kane ka Jingkynnoh kaseng HNLC persya uba Sniawbhalang dhar namar baro ki Jingkynnoh kim dade ki bakhiat heu ne don Nongrim ulo ongru balada don kam banyak keren ya kane ka Jingkynnoh kade bandon da kisaki satar ba udon keti hakte kam kumbala keno da ka HNLC bat banyak keren ne yathir bakalong bean klem dadon kisaki satar kalong ko bam don Nongrim susu ulo ongru balada jin dadon kita kisaki satar ladon kam banyak keren bat ka anhi kan sale ka badon kam ula berap.
Because there's a demand for inquiry. According to me, allegation can be made to anybody, but proof should be there. No, if you have allegation, you should have proof also. So let the law or any agency take its own course to prove whether it's a fact or not. That it depends on the government whether the case is serious or not. But to me, there's no seriousness about this. That's why I'm telling you that if the case is so serious, then let us discuss. But it seems that the case is not so serious, so why should we discuss?
meghalayapost.news.